Samsung Galaxy A05s. Big, like Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Smaller. Size doesn't matter, my friend. Galaxy, 194 grams. Redmi, 173.5 grams. Weighty competition. These contenders are plastic fantastic. Redmi, I'm splash resistant with IPv4, while Galaxy is like no IP rating, no worries. Ring ring. Round 2, Samsung A05s Silky Smooth Screen. 90Hz refresh, like Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. AMOLED panel, 120Hz refresh rate. Wow. Slide shows versus IMAX. Big difference. Redmi wins with a bigger screen-to-body ratio, 88.9% versus Galaxy's 82.9%. The resolution aspect ratio and pixel density are all tied at 1080 by 2420/9 and about 393 ppi for both. It's a close call. Almost there. Time to dive into the smartphone brains for round 3. Galaxy uses Android 13. Redmi adds MIUI 14 on top. Spicy. Galaxy has Snapdragon 684G. Redmi has Dimensity 6085G. The CPU and GPU in these contenders have a serious case of dancing fever. Which team you rooting for? Memory Mayhem round 4. Redmi, I've got 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, while the other champ only has 6 gigs. I'm going the extra mile. Storage. Galaxy wins with sneaky expandability, unlike Redmi. Bigger storage, bigger fun. Eye on the prize? Round 5, let's zoom in on their peepers. Galaxy 50 megapixels, Redmi 108 megapixels. Whoa. Rocket launcher versus water gun. Overkill. Galaxy wins in video with more frames in 1080p. Say cheese. And in the 6th round, it's time to capture your fabulous face in a selfie. The Galaxy selfie game is flexing hard with a 13 megapixel front cam, but the Redmi is like, hold my megapixels, and brings out a 16 megapixel beauty. Say cheeseburger. Round 7, bring it on. These contenders rock the speaker and keep the jack alive. Keep those headphones close, no goodbyes needed. Round 8, we're clicking. Both phones have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and satellite positioning, but the Redmi goes all out with Bluetooth 5.3, no NFC, but they've got a reliable USB Type-C 2.0 port. Round 9, where we're feeling all posh and sophisticated with our fancy sensors. The Galaxy is like a secret agent with its side-mounted fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, and proximity sensors, while the Redmi is like a magician adding gyroscope and compass sensors to its bag of tricks. Extra sensors for a smidgen more enchantment. Power play? Round 10, Redmi's got a 5,000 mAh battery and 33 watts wired charging, while Galaxy's stuck with 25 watts. Redmi's charging game is on fire. Who outlasts in the endurance test? Now, the grand finale, random chaos Galaxy violet, green, silver, black. Redmi white, black, blue. Colors, yo. The Galaxy costs $156, while the Redmi has options for all budgets and tastes. Which one fits your wallet and vibe? Samsung A05s versus Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Epic phone battle. Phones fight, you choose the champ. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with the force of 1,000 suns, and give that notification bell a good all ding. A link so you never miss out on the epic tech battles happening on DigiDuelers. Geek on.